Guys, so today we're playing Rolling Thunder. It's like an arcade game. It was released by Namco in 1986. So I was kind of like bored, dude, so I'm gonna play it right now. Pretty tired, man. Yeah. Whatever. Just play a game. Oh, yo, I should play Doom one of these times, dude. Yo, I'm gonna actually like, dude, Doom's a good game to play on this. Doom's like good. Yeah, which one should I play? I should play probably like final version, right? Yo, can this game start, dude? Yo. Final, dude. I remember the first time I played this game. I was visiting my cousins in Pennsylvania, and I remember I went to this like hotel. Yo, is this actually playing? Yeah. And yeah, so basically like there's this arcade at the hotel. I never played the game. This is probably my favorite arcade game ever, dude. Best arcade game ever, man. Like, whenever I go to an arcade, if they have this, dude, I'm playing it. You know I'm playing it. Let's get these bullets. Let's go, man. Kill this dude. Almost got me, baby. Gotta get that machine gun. Come here, bitch. Come here. Yeah. Ooh! That guy almost got me. Get these bullets. I thought I could get more energy bullets. Man, like that. This is actually like an old ass game, though. 1986, man. What was that, dude? I mean, I wasn't even alive, but like that was like freaking like that's when my parents were around, man. Like my dad would have been like 9, man. That's crazy. It's actually a really good run. Normally I don't get past the first level. Like, I'm locked in right now, dude. I'm actually gonna lock it in. So I'm not gonna talk much. Come here. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Man, that's sick, man. Let's play this next girl. Oh, shit. I just killed myself. See if he makes it. Oh, next level. Bullets. Oh, get up. I need to stay up here. Come here, dude. Got me, bitch. Fuck. Fuck. Not again, dude. This is my last chance. Come on. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. What the fuck? Hey man, you go fuck yourself, piece of shit. Fucking quit. Alright, that's it. That's the video, dude. Alright, bye.